Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to call this video Smart Fill Tool at its best. I was working on this file the other day for a young lady, and it's got a bunch of double lines and broken lines pretty much all over the page, and you would have to go through here and correct these individually, and you could do that very easily with the virtual segment delete key. But it's going to take you a little time, and you're going to have to go around and look at every one of them. So the quickest way to do this, and it doesn't always going to work. Let me zoom in here a little bit. I am going to draw a rectangle around my object so I won't, in case I do have a leak, it won't go outside the page and really mess up the computer. So let's zoom in here now. And let's grab the Smart Fill tool and let's just get on the interior part of our drawing. And then you can move the Smart Fill away, and you can left click, right click, and all those problem areas are gone. You had one here, here, and here, and if you look now, they're gone. They're good, crisp, clean lines. Even this one right here that was kind of between two, it is now gone. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.